Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Macon Campbell and this is Macon Stuff. So today we're going to break away from the organ for a minute and I'm going to make myself a new pair of earrings. This pair that I have in right now I made more than a year ago and I've been wearing them ever since. This wood that I used for these is teak, so I'm going to be making these ones out of the same material. I'm going to be doing something a bit different to the standard type of flesh tunnel. So I've come up with a little bit of a concept. I sat down and I came up with a drawing and it looks something like this, and as you can see it's quite a bit different to your standard tunnel. So I took it over to Adobe Illustrator, I retraced it and I did a bit of tweaking and I came up with this. This is probably going to be close to the design that I'm hoping to end up with. That's not to say it's going to look like this, but something close to this. So basically I can either put them in from behind and have the hook hanging out the front, or I can put them in from the front and have the hook coming out from behind, leaving it to look similar to this from the front. I've got no idea if it's going to work, but I'm going to make them anyway and give it a try. So I duplicated the drawing in Illustrator and I printed it out, so I have a couple of templates to work from. So I'm going to cut these out, transfer this over to a piece of wood and get started. Okay, well that's about as far as I'm comfortable going in terms of shaping on the belt sander, especially with something this small. So the rest of the shaping is going to be done with a Dremel. I'm going to start off with this carbide bit to start roughing out the general shape, and I'll move over to smaller and smaller bits as I start refining the shape. After which I'll move over to hand sanding to finish it, and then they should be done. So let's get on with it. Okay, there we go, they're done, and I must say I quite like how they turned out. It's hard to believe that this is the same wood that I used for the last tunnels. As you can see, in the last year that I've been wearing the other ones, they've darkened quite a lot. I never used any finish on those from day one when I put them in. I just gave them a light coating of Vaseline, and every time I took them out to clean them, I would just coat them with Vaseline again and put them in. Obviously your skin has a lot of oils in it already, so I was never worried that it was going to dry out. So I'm liking how they look this way around with the hook coming out the back. My wife said having the hook coming out the front made it look as if there was a turd coming out there, and I kind of tend to agree. So I'll probably be wearing them this way around. But anyway, that was just a quick project, something that I wanted to get done. I was initially planning just to do it off camera and just post it on my Instagram. But then I thought, you know, while I'm at it, I may as well just make a short little video. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I certainly did. It's been quite a while since I've done any carving, and it was definitely a whole lot of fun. And that is also definitely something that I want to do a whole lot more of next year once I get finished with this organ. So with that being said, as always, thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, drop them down below. And be sure and share it with your friends. And till next time, keep making stuff.